Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most stunning homes from around the world. Today, we're exploring a beautifully reimagined Cotswolds family home, an incredible transformation led by architect Tom Bresford. What once stood as a simple, outdated bungalow is now a bright, contemporary retreat designed with sustainability, comfort, and creativity at its heart. From the moment the drone rises above the cedar-clad exterior, you'll feel the harmony between modern design and the surrounding countryside. This home blends natural textures, warm tones, and low-carbon materials to create a space that's both future-focused and full of personality. As we move toward the front facade, take a moment to appreciate the clean lines, soft timber finishes, and large windows that invite natural light inside. The architect thoughtfully reused portions of the existing structure, reducing waste while giving the property a fresh new identity. The entrance pathway leads you toward a home that feels welcoming, modern, and connected to the landscape. Stepping inside, the entrance hall sets the tone for the rest of the house. It's bright, open, and designed to function beautifully for a busy family. Warm wood flooring, playful accents, and smart storage choices create a space that is both practical and inviting. The designer's goal was to craft a home that supports everyday living, not just one that looks good on camera. Moving forward, we enter the main living area, a space filled with soft natural light, sweeping views of the countryside, and calm, contemporary styling. The oversized windows frame the scenery like artwork, while the layout encourages relaxation and connection. Here, you'll notice the mix of cozy fabrics, simple furniture, and warm textures that make modern design feel comfortable instead of cold. Every detail has purpose, from the lighting choices to the positioning of the seating. Next, we transition into the dining area, which sits perfectly between the kitchen and living room. This space is ideal for family meals, celebrations, and everyday moments. With a large wooden dining table, hanging pendant lighting, and a direct line of sight to the garden, it feels open yet grounded. The placement of this dining area also reflects a bigger theme in the house, designing for togetherness. Now we step into the kitchen, one of the most striking spaces in the house. Clean white surfaces, natural materials, and energy-efficient appliances create the perfect combination of style and sustainability. The kitchen island serves as a central gathering point, whether for cooking, studying, or sharing breakfast. Every cabinet, countertop, and fixture was carefully selected to stay true to the low-carbon vision behind the renovation. From here, we head to the activities room, an area designed completely around fun, creativity, and family life. One of the standout features of this home is an indoor slide that connects the upper floor to the lower level. It's a playful addition that represents the personality of the family and the architect's desire to think beyond conventional design. Next, we explore the children's playroom, filled with natural light and tailored to spark imagination. It's a space where kids can read, play, and grow freely. Soft colors, safe materials, and clever storage solutions keep everything functional and calming. Continuing down the hallway, we arrive at the study, an inspiring workspace with minimal distractions and plenty of daylight. Just nearby are the guest bedroom and guest bathroom, both designed with comfort and welcome in mind. They maintain the home's overall design theme: simple, warm, and beautifully detailed. Stepping outside into the garden, the connection between indoor and outdoor living becomes clear. The natural slope of the land, the open patio, and the surrounding greenery all contribute to a peaceful environment. Whether it's a sunny afternoon or a chilly morning, this outdoor space feels like a private escape. Heading upstairs, we enter the private areas of the home. The children's bedrooms are bright, cozy, and imaginative, designed to grow with them. Their bathroom follows the same principles as the rest of the home: minimalism, durability, and clean, calming design. Finally, we reach the master bedroom, a serene retreat positioned to capture the most stunning landscape views. Warm tones, natural textures, and simple lines create a relaxing atmosphere. It's a space designed not just for sleeping, but for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring tour here on American Dream Mansions. This home is a powerful example of what thoughtful, sustainable architecture can achieve: beauty, comfort, and responsibility, all under one roof. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible dream homes from around the world.